Make a balloon animal bumblebee and hummingbird. Balloon animals always provide entertainment for children's parties. It is quite easy learning the art of balloon modeling. You can make different types of animals and other objects just by using balloons. You can learn how to make a bumblebee and a hummingbird. The steps are really easy to follow. Follow these steps to learn how to make a bumblebee balloon. Materials that you need. For the bumblebee, you need a long yellow balloon and a black permanent marker. Making the balloon. The first step is to inflate a long yellow balloon. When you do this, leave about 2 inches deflated toward the end. This will serve as the bumblebee's stinger. Now you can create a bubble at the balloon's front end by twisting the inflated part. Measure about 2 to 3 inches from the first bubble that you created and make another bubble. Twist the balloon so that you can form a loop. Use the 2 bubbles to secure the loop in place. Now you have the body for your bumblebee. Draw the stripes and face. For the strips of the bee and the face, draw some stripes on the body of the bee. You can also add eyes and a mouth to the bee by drawing on the front part of the body. These are the easy steps on how you can make a bumblebee balloon animal. You need to practice before you can do it easily. The next balloon animal is the hummingbird. Follow these steps to know how you can make this balloon animal. Materials that you need. For the hummingbird, you can use whatever color of balloon you like. You can use a blue balloon for this one. Making the balloon. The steps for the hummingbird are much like the bumblebee. Inflate the balloon. Measure about 3 inches from the end with the knot and twist there to form a bubble. Make another bubble at the other end of the balloon. Twist the ends to form a loop. To do this, grab the bubbles at both ends of the balloon and twist them together. You now have a loop. Secure the loop in place by twisting the ends of the balloon. Draw the face. Use the permanent marker to draw the hummingbird's face. These are the steps that you can follow if you want to learn how to make a balloon bumblebee and hummingbird. If you want to learn more about the art of balloon modeling, there are some websites that you can visit to help you. Visit the websites that are listed below. Creativity Portal. Creativity Portal has a list of plenty of online resources where you can find information and tutorials about balloon twisting. The links on the website have brief descriptions so it is easy for you to find what you are looking for. Balloon twisting. This website has plenty of video tutorials on balloon twisting. This is good for beginners since you can actually see how the shapes are being done. Some of the tutorials available are for twisting an elephant, star, flower, hat, Mickey Mouse hat and many more.